In this video, I will show you how to change a JPEG file to a PDF step by step. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to convert your image into a PDF quickly so it's easier to save, share or upload as a document. Also, if this video helps today, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple tech related tutorials. So in this example, you can see I've got this picture here, which if I double click, you can see it's a .jpeg file. Now, there is a easy way to do this without downloading any software or anything like that. So to do this, what you want to do is actually right click onto the JPEG file to bring up this menu, and you want to look for the print button. Now, if you can't see this in this menu, come down to the bottom, click onto show more options, and you should find print in the additional options that come up. Once you've given that a click, it's going to open a window like this. From here, if you come up to printer, and what you want to do is click onto the drop down box where it says choose a printer and change this to Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you've done that, you can of course adjust the resolution and the paper size and things like that, and once that's done, just click onto print. Now what it's going to do is load up your computer's file explorer. You can see it says save as type. This should be selected to PDF, so just make sure that's selected there, and what you can do is give your file a name. So I'm going to call this one test. And what I'm going to do is just save this in the same folder, so my photos folder. So I'm going to double click, save it as test, and then we're going to click save. So you can see it's just going to take a minute or two, and as you can see, it's now converted this into a PDF. You can see it's now opened this as a PDF with Adobe Acrobat, and that is how to change a JPEG to a PDF. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.